How's it going, guys? Gian here from Undisputed, and today I want to show you how we make our famous face socks step by step. So go ahead and follow me and I'll show you exactly how to do it. All right, so here's the picture that I've pasted on Photoshop. You can send us any photo that you want. You don't need to crop it and I'll do it for you. So let me just show you exactly what I do. So basically I use the pen tool to isolate the faces. This is a photo of Evelyn and myself. And I isolate each face first. It doesn't matter what type of photo, what type of lighting you send. I'll make sure that it looks beautiful, it looks great, and it looks neat for your socks, because we definitely want the best quality. Over here, I add a little stroke. That's our signature move here. We add a stroke to a white outline to all the socks that we do. And if you have questions about how to do this, feel free to ask me in the comments. I will answer every question you may have in regards to how to do this. Now I create a pattern. I'm gonna create a pattern here, which will be decorated on the socks. This is a template that I worked on for a long time and I've perfected. And there you have it. Now I save the file and I'll take you to the next step where we actually make the sock. All right, so here's the printout coming out of the design that I just did earlier. This is a sublimation printer. It's a Sawgrass SG400. You can ask me in the comments, which is a sublimation printer, and you want sublimation because that's the process that we're gonna do. So here's the printout, and I'm gonna show you how to press the socks next. All right, guys, now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna press this paper that we just printed onto the socks right here. So let's do it. First thing we do is a pre-press on the socks, right? We got a regular heat press. You can get these anywhere. And we're gonna lay the paper right on top of it. Lay the paper carefully on top of it. A swing press is the best. And then you just do it for around 20 to 25 seconds at around 400 degrees. Now, 20 seconds passed, swing it over. And that's one side of the sock already. So if we flip it, we do a little, make sure that both sides meet, because there's going to be a white line here if you don't do this. You want to wear protective gloves. This is really hot, but I'm so used to it that I'm not, so don't forget to do that. And then you do a little squeezing here, making sure you see the color going over. And now we're going to do the second side. Put the sheet on top, align it well, hold it, press again at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 seconds. 20 seconds are up, so here's the final product. You lift up, and there you have it. The socks are ready to go. Pull them out of the inserts. These socks are good to go. They're ready to be worn, washed. This is permanently a sock. So this is the process of sublimation that we use for our socks. Head over to our website. You can make socks based on our preset themes, or you can also do your own. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please share them in the comments.